So yes, massive big up and welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. So right now we stand up right at the intersection of Featherbed Lane, yeah, and Johns Road. Big up to the officer we are going direct the traffic here, so because you don't know, even though the red light did it, whole heap of funeral are going and things. So we are going to do a walk now of Johns, not Johns Road, but Featherbed Lane. See, without further ado, let's do this. Officer pull up on the bike and thing, and I did it the right way. Alright, man. So, we are go. So this is Featherbed Lane, and let's do it. This is Featherbed Lane. So we are going to walk Featherbed Lane and see if we can make it out back on Old Harbour Road. See? Whole heap of walking, but it's a vibe. So which what all like Featherbed Lane massive them there. I say I don't know who I go want to see them video, who I go appreciate if they say yeah. You know what I mean? Me want to see them place there or what, or maybe I just watch it because Jamaica Walk By walk it. So big up and respect for that, but some different type of vibe, subtle type of vibe. You know what I mean? As we proceed, as we go through on Jamaica Walk By Featherbed Lane. Let's do this. And if you're new to the channel, remember, it's not a narrating video. It's just to show the natural vibe, natural ambiances of the world. See? No joke, no doubt. Let's go. See? Yeah. And welcome all my new subscribers. Welcome all our people that were there for a long time. Yeah. Big up and respect. No joke. Heart of love to every man. Yeah, man. Bell Avenue. So all who heard about Featherbed Lane and never really see it yet, phone a video this. Blessed J. Respect. Brownie. Why? Featherbed Lane. man. Man could like me, you know. See it? I go up on the opposite side to me. I see traffic man come and yesterday overtake. And the man swing from the pothole, panning. Right, I don't know where. Come on to some copyright again. So I don't know me I go mute it. See? Soon come again with the audio. Hey, my tune. Boop, boop. Journey continues. So there is tons of small turn off on Featherbed Lane. You see it? And then do some woodwork and thing over there, so welding. Willow Gardens, call out here, so. 21 tickets back. Where them say? Oh, that. Hey, massacre. Don't know. There. Thanks to everybody who joined right now. CM Speed and Jamaica Walk by doing this nice sort of vibe of Featherbend Lane. Walking towards Old Harbour Road from the intersection of Johns Road, is it? Yeah. And we'll move on. Nice vibe. Nice cool vibe in the evening too. Give thanks. Whew. Drop. I defend it, I got everything out there. Good evening. Yeah. I wonder. Yes, I look down the set up Sagina, man. Outside with it. Teacher. So you must have to mute it based on the copyright scene. Yeah. Outside. One thing you can know about the Jamaicans, you know, when I ram to set up shop. Yeah man, a whole heap of shop set up, man. Good evening. Better building blocks. Never know that one at all. Better building blocks. Never know another one at all. Look at them do almost everything when it comes down to concrete. What a walk. Almost there. And anybody will follow and know Featherbed Lane and know say right around the corner there we're going to see the Total Energies gas station. If you know say we reach Old Darbar Road. Yeah man. Outside with it. Yeah man. When you see the yard there, you know, it's a vibes yard this, you know. All the kids them link up and have fun, you know, man. Oh God. Love it. Let's go, boy. Good evening. That is it. Get rid of the copyright. Man. So yes, we made it. Old Darbar Road is in sight. No. Oh, at the church. This. I saw the church in big. Rockstone. All of the property at church. Wow. That's nice. Beautiful. It don't look so from the front. We did it! Oh, whoa! Total rubies over there, sir. Martin. So let me start thank you for watch the video. Yeah man, let me start thank you. So I could dolly a pass. See if we can catch her a little bit show. You know what I mean? Up in a chop there, dolly. We did it. We did it. Oh my word. Featherbed Lane right to Old Darbar Road. Whoa! Nice. So thank you so much for watching. Big up everybody who watched the entire video. Really and truly appreciate it. Heart of love to you all. Heart of love. One love. The support has been great. Let's go 1 million subscribers me I aim for. You understand? I aim for it because I know me have to go there. Saying blessings and respect to everybody. Stay tuned and watch the video. Big up to all. Please may I ask you to share the video to Facebook. Give it a 1 share to Facebook. See? Yeah man, easily. That is it. Old Darbar Road. Walk it. Featherbed Lane. Man.